So our first Halloween themed look will be Hook. As you guys just saw, my shirt, the Incredible Hulk. And so with that, yes, we're gonna do green, we're gonna do purple. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this kickoff of the Halloween looks. This is something very glam. So I do have other things planned for Halloween. So just stay tuned, subscribe, like, and do all that jazz. And let's go to the video. So I took that first green from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm putting that, well, stamping it in my crease. And yes, I have creasing, but that's because I didn't set my concealer. But the reason why I was whispering in the beginning of the video was because I was filming this around 11:30 p.m., almost 12. And everyone in the house was sleeping and I didn't want to disturb them. But yes, so I'm just blending that in my crease. Also, a point I want to put out is the reason why I fast forward so much is because my watch time is very low, so I like to make things quick as possible for you guys. I decided to bring that green down onto my lid because I didn't have an idea of what I wanted to do with the look. I just knew I wanted green. But yeah, there's patchiness because of the creases I had. There was this trend going around saying that if you didn't set your concealer, the colors would pop. But honestly, with the BH Cosmetics palette, you just have to build those colors up and they'll be very vibrant. Taking that pastel yellow right next to that green, I am going to try and blend out those edges as best as I can. And yeah. So now I'm taking a darker green, that green right there on screen, and I'm going to place that all on my lid, and I started in my outer V and moved it forward. So yes, October, I have things planned. I don't know if I will be able to achieve everything I want for October, but I will give it my best shot, including things with makeup kits for Halloween, so paints and stuff. So stay tuned for that, you guys. And remember to go back and forth with each color to achieve the pigmentation you want. So I'm taking that first purple shade right there from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette on a blending brush of theirs, and I'm squishing the brush in order to make a flat brush because I was too lazy to get up and get one. But please ignore my nails, they're going through a phase and I'm too lazy to repaint them or whatever. But so yeah, put that purple on your lower lash line area, whatever. And as I was doing this, I realized this could actually be a Joker look as well. Taking that darker purple and focusing that in the outer portion of my lower lash area, and I'm mixing those two colors together to create that dramatic lower lash line. Grabbing the shimmery green color from the palette, I am going to place that in the inner corners of my eyes to add some highlight with my finger, of course, as well as to the rest of the face. Yeah, here you guys witness me being out of frame. Taking those two shades and I'm placing that in areas I normally put my highlight. So I bought these new eyelash curlers from Revlon, and I swear I was ripping my eyelashes out. It hurt so bad. I had to be so careful. And yeah, here's me being all cute, about to put on some lashes from Dodo Lashes. This green reflex highlight is low-key giving me life. And here I am picking it up, and I'm going to place that on my nose. And I think I grabbed the wrong white highlight or whatever. But anyways, I am putting that on my nose. Low-key shooting a bird, but it's okay. And yeah, you guys, we're almost done. So yeah, you guys, we are done. This is the final look and my happy dance, I guess. I didn't completely finish filming and everything until like 1. I think at 1 a.m. I was barely taking off my makeup and stuff. But there I'm holding up the lashes I'm using in the video. But yeah, this look, I'm pretty happy with how this look came out. Really happy that my lashes are pretty good. And here goes a close-up for you guys. Had to slow down for this little snippet, cause look at what's there. Highlight is popping, you guys. Thank you to those who support me non-stop, and to those who reached the end of the video. Thank you guys for following me on this journey. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also follow me on my IG. It'll be on the screen shortly. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!